So in Hindu literature, there are 12 months exactly like January, etc. But from April, this Chaitra starts. चैत्र विशाखा ज्येष्ठा आषाढ आषाढा श्रावण भाद्रपद अश्विन कार्तिक मृगशिरा margashirsh Poshya Magha and Falgun. These are the 12 months, and um, 30 days are calculated with very much different style. I am teaching this because I want to teach you very important point in upcoming 5-10 minutes. So first day of the month is Shukla Paksha 1, then second day is Shukla Paksha 2, then third is Shukla Paksha 3, Shukla Paksha 4, Shukla Paksha 5, Shukla Paksha 6, Shukla Paksha 7, Shukla Paksha 8, Shukla Paksha 9, Shukla Paksha 10, Shukla Paksha 11, Shukla Paksha 12, Shukla Paksha 13, Shukla Paksha 14. And after the Shukla Paksha 14, moon becomes full and it is full moon day or Purnima day. Then again moon start to decrease in Krishna Paksha. Krishna means black. Black Paksha. Black party 1. Literal translation, but it is not like that. It's like Krishna Paksha 1, Krishna Paksha 2, Krishna Paksha 3, Krishna Paksha 4, Krishna Paksha 5, Krishna Paksha 6, Krishna Paksha 7, Krishna Paksha 8, Krishna Paksha 9, Krishna Paksha 10, Krishna Paksha 11, Krishna Paksha 12, Krishna Paksha 13, Krishna Paksha 14, and 15th day it is no moon or Amausya or new moon day. So and these all days are these 2 days written as one are called as Prathama. These 2 days are called as Dvitiya. These third 2 days are called as Tritiya. These 2 days are called Chaturthi. This 2 days called as Panchami. 6 there is written it is called as Shashti. 7 called as it is Saptami. 8 written it's called Ashtami. 9 written is called as Navami. 10 written is called as Dashmi. 11 written is called as Ekadashi. 12 written it is called as Dwadashi. 13 written it is Trayodashi. 14 written it is Chaturdashi. And what is the secret I'm gonna tell you now?